Hello guys, nice to be here today to share with you new dish. We will make soup today. I will make my own version of soup. But we're gonna use something that many people they don't know where to use this one. It's the gizzard of the chicken. Actually this plate reminds me of my brother. He loved too much gizzard and to make soup with gizzard. So today we're gonna make soup. This is the one, it's burgle, and they call it in other country frick or frika, so it doesn't mean freaky, yeah? So we're gonna make soup with all those ingredients today. So let me introduce for you the ingredient today, guys. We have here baby marrow, carrots, fava beans but it's dry, and we have onion, potato, tomato, gizzard, burgle or frick or frika, garlic, oil, cumin, salt, coriander and turmeric. So guys, let's start making our soup today. So first thing, we're gonna put oil, and then we're gonna put the gizzard right away. We're gonna saute our gizzard very well. We're gonna put onion, I put little garlic now, only little. Something I did not mention it's tomato paste. I'm gonna put tomato paste because this one it has to be red sauce. We're gonna put the baby marrow, and it has water, carrots, then we will mix. And then we'll put the tomato. Everything you will give the water, the vegetable, and then we will keep on mixing and saute this one. We have here the potato, and we have the fava beans, dry fava beans. Now I'm gonna put the potato with the water. Mix. Then I'm gonna put the seasoning. Mix it well. Now we're gonna put the water. It's hot water. here our soup, it's boiling. When it's boiling already, we put the fava beans, and then when the fava beans cook and the gizzard, that's the time we're gonna put our garlic, and we're gonna put our burgle. We put it half like this, so the water will not spread everywhere. See our soup now, all the vegetable ready. Now we're gonna put our burger or our frick, and then we need to mix right away. And then if it's little bit thick, you add water, okay? No problem. Then we're gonna put the garlic. So we will keep this one for 10 minutes exactly, then we're gonna show you how it look like. So here guys, our dish for today. It's very yummy. The smell is amazing and everything looks yummy really. And here I add something, we call it croton. It's baguette. We cut it cubes and then we put salt and thyme, and we put olive oil, and we just put it in the oven for 5 minutes. So that one we can put with the soup, and it's nice to eat with the soup. So please guys, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give thumbs up, to activate your notification bell, so whatever I make you will be updated and you will receive it. And see you in other dish.